Hey everyone, Amanda Hill, RDH here to talk to you a little bit about your suction adapters. Did you know that we are supposed to take those things apart between every patient? I've been a hygienist for 25 years and I've never bothered to read those instructions for use, but we really are, and it takes a lot of time. And so let me show you how to do it so you can just see what we're supposed to be doing. If this is the first time that you've ever taken apart your suction adapters, it's going to take a really long time because they're going to be stuck together with a gorilla glue of biofilm. Our suction adapters are supposed to swivel really easily, and sometimes when we don't take them apart for a long time, they get really hard to push, which ergonomically isn't good for us, and infection control wise we know is terrible. So to take these things apart, it's quite a few steps. First, you have to remove the outer lever, and then you have to remove this inner part here, and sometimes this is really hard to do, and you have to get a little innovative. I like to take the end of a pen. I don't know if my infection control friends will approve, but I won't use this with my patients, I promise. And I push it through. Sometimes you have to figure out which side will push. And then it finally comes apart. And then you're supposed to remove these O-rings as well. You can see that this has 2 O-rings. These are really hard to get off. A scaler is a really handy way to kind of dig up underneath them and get them pulled off. But it's not a fast process. And you can imagine trying to do this in between patients. It's not very convenient. And I don't know about you, but I'm always running behind as well. So we also want to make sure that we're doing that with our saliva ejectors too. And it's the same process. The first time I took this one apart, I had to soak it for 24 hours in hot water to get that gorilla glue of biofilm to release. And the same thing, I like to use my ballpoint pen and I push it out. And think about all the gunk that is in there that we see. And this one has been recently processed. Think about if you've been a hygienist for a long time and you've never taken yours apart. And we remember that our O-rings break down all the time on our Cavitron tips and our air water syringes. They're breaking down on our saliva ejectors too, and that's when fluid can leak out and then get on our patients, which is really concerning. So this is why we need to make sure that we're taking care of our suction adapters, or that we switch to disposable to keep everyone safe. Thanks for watching. You know, I've been a dental hygienist for 25 years and in the dental industry for over 30. So if you want to learn more about the products that I love or things that make my job easier, check the links. Or you want to learn more about me, it's all right here. See you next time.